I'm with one of the most dynamic doctors in the world, Dr. Billy DeMoss. I mean, he's literally building an army for change through consciousness.
Both you and I have been in the trench a long time, telling the same friggin' story, and it's amazing that a lot of people are waking up. Transitioning people out of this brainwashed world that they live in is not always easy because they're getting 24/7 media blast and commercials and social media.
What do you think the end result of this is? Do you think it's going to suppress society and we're all going to live like 1984? We're all going to have mandatory everything? Or do you think it's going to wake people up? What are your thoughts?
I'm very optimistic. I think there's going to be a dark period before we get to the light at the end of the tunnel. And I've been very, very, very good about predicting everything. I heard this. Dennis Prager said this. He said that love and hate are just two huge emotions, but one emotion that trumps both of those is fear. And what fear does, it shifts people out of their conscious brain into their reptilian survival brain where they don't even think anymore. People are basically just walking around as literal reptilian zombies. The more we comply with the bullshit, the more we have to deal with the bullshit.
If the evil ones take over, it's going to take us a while to get this miracle of chiropractic, okay, that the body is self-healing and self-regulating. I don't want that lost. You're doing what chiropractic's always meant to do. I mean, BJ was trying everything to objectively measure corrections. I mean, we do the same thing.
If you're vibrating at frequency is super high, and that's why love and joy and peace, so those are some of the highest frequencies up there. And don't put fear and negative frequencies in your body, which lowers your expression. There's two huge frigging bioweapons. One is your TV set and the other one's your frigging cell phone, which I don't own either of.
Man, well, I don't know. You're talking crazy. Fear, isolation, and fast food can weaken the immune system.
And what I really try to get people to understand is by removing the interference to your nervous system, we raise your vibration and your frequency, which that's what real health is. It's not the absence of symptoms, because you could have no symptoms and drop dead from a heart attack tomorrow. It's about how connected you are and how connected to the universe you are and your environment. And again, I don't even believe in the whole germ theory. I think it's all about terrain, and you're not going to get sick if you're a healthy person. And you and I have been telling this story a long time, you know, and chiropractic's been telling the story a long time too, since 1895. But you know, they thought we were quacks back in those days, but now people are starting to realize that the real quacks are on the other side of the fence. So
we've got to change it. And getting that information out to change the herd. Okay, so they realize that this shit is a scam.
The world's going to wake up. I mean, you can't. There's three things you can't hide. One's the moon, the other one's the sun, and the other one's the truth. It's going to come out, bro. I slam dunk the truth, okay? And it's just, I don't water it down because I'm very passionate about it.
You're going to have your skull split wide open and new information is going to pour in.
Get in the game. Life is not meant to be a spectator sport. So they're out for blood, but you and I, we're not going away. We stand for the truth.